such a good buy. Everybody's rolling out the high-dry towels and they're saving lots of money cause we price them with please. Everybody's rolling up the high-dry savings, getting ready for a beautiful day. Everybody's rolling out the high-dry, so happy that we make it that way.
Rolling out the high-dry. Such a good buy. Everybody's rolling out high-dry.
My fellow Americans, a plague has fallen upon our nation. The plague of obesity, caused by junk foods. Junk food is causing a major health concern in our society, especially in our future, the youth of America. Our children are going out and eating trash every day in our schools, our malls, our parks. Nowhere is safe from the hand of fatty foods. Food is powerful. It controls us. Americans love rich, buttery foods. We are what we eat, but we have to ask ourselves as a state, do we really want what we eat to eat us alive? These cooks are toying with our friends and family's lives. Can we entrust the lives of our loved ones to these unscrupulous people? I called this press conference today because I am moving for our state legislature to instate a ban on overly buttery foods.
How is your proposed ban going to be implemented?
Well, after it is voted into effect, our state police and local jurisdictions should begin to enforce the law within the month.
What about people who like rich foods? Aren't they disenfranchised by this?
In our country, suicide is illegal. We won't let people throw away their lives and die from Danishes. We need to work together as, excuse me.